Hi, my name's Georgina Herman and I'm from Queensland, Australia. Okay, and I just want to briefly tell you about this really awesome gem of a program that I came across a short while ago. It's called Imjetset and its creator is John Crestani. Now, personally, I'm unemployed at the moment. I was my mother's full-time carer for quite a number of years, but mum's now moved into an aged care facility, so I'm out looking for work. And I've also been looking for some work at home opportunities, which is how I came across John's program. Now, I watched some of his videos and I was really impressed. John comes across incredibly genuine, and it's obvious that he sincerely wants to help people learn the skills to be successful in this line of work. After watching his videos and reading his webpage, I decided to jump in and join the program, and that was about a week ago now. And let me tell you, I'm very excited. I'm very excited. The program is teaching me the skills to build a really solid foundation whereby I'll be able to generate numerous income streams. I'm learning about affiliate marketing for Facebook, Twitter, writing blogs, writing good articles. There's all sorts of valuable information there. So, I suggest check out John's free videos on YouTube. Have a look at his website, read the articles on there, and then take the plunge. I seriously don't think you'll regret it, because I know that I haven't. I'm very excited about this. Okay, thanks.